Good morning, students. The second program that we have seen, that is multiple if else statement, or you can call it as a if else if statement. Okay, so here I have typed that percentage program, multiple if else if statement. So here, what is the use of these else if statements? Let's see. Here we have given first condition, that is input command we have given, enter the percentage. Here we have given a percentage variable. We have to input a percentage. Then second if statement, that is used for checking a condition that if your percentage is greater than 60%, then you will get a message that is first division. If this statement is true, then you will get a message first division. That is, your percentage greater than, your percentage should be greater than 60%. If else if your percentage, else if, that is if your percentage is greater than 50% or less than 60%, then the control will pass to the second statement. That is this one, second statement, the second condition, and you will get a message second division. That means your percentage is greater than 50% or less than 60%. Okay, so second condition will execute the statement or message that is second division. That means आपकी जो percentage है 50% से ज़्यादा है और 60% से less है. Now the third statement, third else if statement, that is used for if your percentage is greater than 40%, then you will get a message third division. That means your percentage is greater than 40% or it is less than 50%. So you will get third division. And if all above statement is false, for example, neither you got 60%, above 60%, nor 50%, or even you are not getting even equal to 40% also. At that time, the all control will pass to else statement. This is called as a by default else statement. When the above all three statement, if, second else if, and third else if these all three statements are wrong or false, then compiler will automatically pass the control to by default else statement. So you will get a message fail. So let's see the one by one. First, we will give an input of percentage. This first variable. Let's run the program. So here we'll check one first control, that is we are inputting a percentage. For example, we have given a 90%. And let's see this percentage we have given. We can see. Okay, and this first division message executed because first if condition is getting true. Okay, it is first condition is executed. Why first condition is executed? Because first condition is true. That your marks here we have given as an input is greater than 60%, that is 90%, and that is why first condition is true and you will get a message first division. Then second condition, let's check out the second condition, that is greater than 50%, and you will get a second division. Let's check second condition, mark should be greater than, sorry, let's mention 55%. You will get a message second division here. Why? Because first condition is false and second condition is true. That means your percentage is greater than 50% or less than 60%. And that is why second condition, second else if condition is executed, it is true. And that is why you will get a message that is second division. Let's check out the third condition. Percentage should be greater than 40% or less than 50%. Let's check out. Here we mentioned 45%. So 45% is here we have given as an input of percentage, that is 45%. So 45% is great, that is less than 50%, or it is greater than 40%. And that is why the third condition is executed. That is the message is third division. When this condition is true, the compiler will automatically pass the control to print statement. Okay. So this else if statement, that is our percentage is 45%. And that is why it executed a third condition, that is the third division. Now let's see the last condition by default else statement. That is a fail statement. That means if above all condition are false, it will by default, it will execute, compiler will execute else statements. Let's execute the last statement, fail statement. For example, we got 30%. So here we have given 30% and you will get a message fail because above all conditions are true. It is percentage is less than 60%, again less than 50%, again less than 40%. That means it is a fail reason. Okay, thank you very much. If you have any doubt, kindly call me, kindly video call me.